Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Dodge Charger 500. Great car, guys. This car's out of Virginia, rock solid Virginia body. It's got 66,000 original miles on it. Great car. Factory EV2 Hemi orange. It's got the black tail stripe, the black vinyl top, black interior. Great car. It's a factory L code 383. It does not have the matching numbers engine in it, but very, very nice car, guys. 727 torqueflite automatic trans. It's got the 8 3/4 rear end. It's got a great looking set of 15-inch Cragar SS wheels with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Nice car. And these cars, guys, without a doubt, the hardest cars for me to get my hands on. These Chargers, people love them. Extremely popular. The collectors love them, and they are very hard for me to get my hands on. Chrome and stainless is very nice. Of course, it's got the hideaway headlights. You can nitpick. It's an older paint, so there's a couple little touch-up marks and stuff like that that you can kind of pick at, but still very, very nice. You can take it right to a car show. Again, good, solid, straight Virginia body. Really just a good looking car. And these Chargers are just nice. The 68 through 70s are just killer. Vinyl tops in excellent shape. So you can see some little light scratching there in the back window. I'm assuming that's the original rear glass. Sorry guys, that's just a little water there. You can see that tail panel's nice. Car's nice and straight down the sides. The rear bumper's definitely been replaced. Sorry guys, that's just a little water dripping out of the tail light lens there. 15 by 8 rears, 15.7s on the front. Again, this is a factory 3D3 car, but this is not the matching numbers engine. Holley 4-barrel. It's got the Edelbrock intake, set of headers on it. It does have electronic ignition, Mopar Performance, air cleaner and valve covers, power steering, power brakes, 727 torqueflite automatic trans. And you can see this car is nice, man. Put an aftermarket shroud on it with an electric fan, so the car runs nice and cool. There's your fender tag. Just a killer car. Again, if you want to nitpick the car, there are a couple things in the paint that you can nitpick. But very, very nice car, guys. A-pillar comb's definitely original, so there's a little wear there. But pretty doggone nice. That mirror looks brand new. Door handles have definitely been replaced. Bucket seats, console. You can see the console lights are working. I know the little light under the dash works. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. It's got an aftermarket tach. 66,427. That's supposed to be the right miles, guys, too. Factory gauges. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. You can see a little light under there works. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's an 8 3/4 355 sure grip rear end. It's even got a Cragar spare with the factory jack. It's all body color in here like it should be. Just a nice car, guys. It's nice and clean underneath. That's a nice car. Really nice car. Little crack you can see there in the dash. Got Jay fired up here. That's an original mirror there. Just a little bit of cam to it, nothing crazy. That sounds good. You see your fender mount, your hood mount turn signals do work. Fuel gauge does work, guys. It just it kind of comes on and off. We know it does work. Oil pressure gauge is down there. It looks like they've got them both hooked up, though, don't they, Jay? Yep. Oh, I'm sorry. The one in the dash is not hooked up, Jay said. Just the one underneath the dash. Backup lights work. That is a killer car, man. Radio works, blower motor. Don't forget the blower motor, guys.
Oh, I have to check that.
Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through Facebook. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, that is a killer car. Have a great day, guys.